So today everyone, I'm gonna organize my refrigerator. The freezer is organized. I'm gonna move a few things, but the refrigerator is the one that's not organized. It's been wiped. My husband has been helping me clean, and see, it's kinda the stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna organize this, but the first thing I'm gonna do is take out everything and wipe this again. So this is the reality, everyone. Not every day that I can organize, but you know, this is me. So I need to get rid of that stuff in there. There's a few things that I need to keep for our dinner, and the rest of this I just have to check if they're still good. But the rest, so far, these are pretty much the good groceries. So let's get started cleaning, everyone. So everyone, I'm doing this one portion at a time, or you know, different layer, that way the alarm will keep on. The one you can hear in here is the beeping, is the alarm for the door. So I clean the top, and then this drawer here for the milk and juice, and another, I move this right here since we put mostly like cheese and other condiments, and then I get more space in here. So I'm not taking out everything, that way the milk, you know, I can put back the milk quick, that way don't get spoiled, get get bad. So the milk won't get bad. So after I put everything back in here, I'm gonna pull out the vegetable and the yogurt. So now I'm gonna put stuff in the tray and put back here. This is what I got from the refrigerator so far. The other one is on my side here, on my back actually. Some of this in here. So I'm gonna make sure this is organized. So for my eggs, everyone, I'm gonna put all of them in this egg holder. Alright, I have 3 left, so I'm gonna boil that one, that way we can use it as a snack. So now I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Out the stuff that I have on the, what is it, on the side of the door. So now I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna put back on the side of the door, and then the rest I'm gonna probably put this in a container or on a tray. Everyone, this is how my inside of the refrigerator look now. It's very organized, and in here I have my vegetables that I always use, and in here also I have vegetables. So since I'm out of fruit, I decided to put the vegetable in here, and when I buy fruits, I just put them in this area. So this is our leftover from last night, and this is my leftover from Chick-fil-A. We bought this from the Chinese place, and all our sandwiches and stuff, and the eggs, the cheese, so is the biscuit, and my butter and jelly and jalapenos on the top. But on that side there is for to make the pizza, and then I also have mochi for my husband. And in the bottom drawer I have our yogurt, and then yogurt for Charlotte, and on this little area here I put my hot dog here. So this is what we have for now. So this is so far a good inventory for our week. And on this door I have my ketchup, mustard, the Mexican mayonnaise. This is really good. My mustard, and I just put them together because we use this all the time. And on here on the top shelves I have just my butter, so I need a few more stick of butter. And in here I just put all my sauce. That's the A1 sauce, steak sauce, steak marinating, my Texas pit, my soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and for the my gari for sushi. And then I have this what is this, capers. I love eating capers. And I also have hoisin sauce. And in the bottom, everyone, I have my ranch, my mayonnaise, my cocktail sauce, chocolate milk for Charlotte. This is the egg roll sauce, sweet and sour, and this is another sweet chili sauce, and then the oyster sauce on the back. So just, you know, I'm just making it very organized. That way it looks so much better here inside the fridge. So I'm very, very happy with this, how it came out. So my goal is to maintain this. I always organize my fridge, everyone, but when we're busy, it just get out of control. And in my freezer, everyone, everything is good in here and organized. I just put, this is really good, and I have few things inside here, so I don't really need to organize this. I have other stuff, of course, some frozen meat and some of my egg rolls. I make a lot of egg rolls and a lot of people buy them, so the freezer is fine. everyone. I hope that you enjoy this organizing. I just want to inspire other people, because I know sometimes we lose our inspiration, but I really enjoy doing this organizing. That way when I cook, everyone, I can see everything, and it's easier for me to grab all the ingredients that I need. And in here I just put the milk, the creamer, the sweet tea, the orange juice, and the juice for Charlotte. You know, it's just easy for her to look, and she can reach it with no problem. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and don't forget to check out our new videos. I have recipes and organizing video that is uploaded, and please don't forget to like and share as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time. Bye bye, everyone.